Again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and my friend just brought me some tiles to play with. And I've got some pillow paint. I think they're 4-inch tiles. And I have little and no experience with doing tiles. I think I did one and it was a coaster. So I'm just going to use colors that I like, and hopefully they'll work out. And I expect my turntable is still going to spin. I tried it with some... There we go. I am going to use... I'm going to go ahead and break out of the rule I thought I was going to use. I'm going to use some Prizm Pour Deep Amethyste. I'm going to use some Chantilly lace. Another Prizm Pour. I made a primary element called Ginger Flower. That is looking like it wants to go in the wrong direction, so I'm going to... Let's use a little shiny taffeta. Another Prizm Pour where you're not coming out. Must be a plug. Whatever it is, there we go. And I have something called Morning Light. I was expecting it to be something else actually, but I'm going to use it anyway. That is a Prizm Pour. And I think I'm going to indulge myself in some Carnival, also a primary element. That may be too much paint. I don't know. So I'm going to put a dot of white, Amsterdam white, mixed in Aussie Floetrol. And some black. And then I'm going to take that smelly paint and get ready for my head. And that's pretty. I like that. And we're going to give it a spin in a second. I might do what I've seen other people do and do a little bit of wrecking. I might even use the dull end of that skewer. I hope I don't lose all the majority of my nice colors. Alright, let's go for it. Maybe I need to spin faster. It's moving, but it's kind of slow. Doesn't look like it's in the center either. Let's go the other way. I've used this turntable five or six times maybe, and then I retired it incidentally. Now you may not have to spin, you could actually tilt. I'm liking the colors. I think I'm just going to blow that into position, to tell you the truth. And then I need to pull down I want to be able to show that to you. So I'm going to see if I can't get it to go right up on top. And I'll shimmer a light at you, and maybe we'll have time to do another one. Oh, that's pretty. There we go. See, that is just not close enough. But it's beautiful. I think I see one thing I want to change, which is just going to twist that little white thing to become a couple of spirals. So that's my first tile. I've done, like I said, I did coasters before. But that was kind of fun. And I wish I could get it close to you. I don't know how to do that. But, all right, we're going to move on to another one, hopefully. And the next one we'll do is going to be a swipe. And I'm going to have to stay with the same paint that's right there. And I'm going to turn the fan on so that the radio in the background is drowned out, because it's not supposed to be on. This time I'm going to just use, still going to put something in the way. I'm going to use ginger flower, primary element, Carnival, some Mayan gold, which is a Prizm Pour. Am I? Maybe I'm not. I have a pair of tweezers that are on my Amazon link that I love. Actually, I have 2 pair of tweezers because I'm often losing one. That's not cooperating. I got it. That was quite the plug, really. And I've got my little acetate tools, which I haven't used much of, because I haven't done this before. So let's just grab one of those. I need a scrape dish. Kind of like those stripes. I may wind up blowing it out. I love those colors together. See some cells coming up. My lack of experience is showing. I'm going to wipe that off so I don't have any white paint on it. And again. That one I should have put in the dish. I'm nervous. So I don't see enough cells, so I'm going to blow on this. I still don't see enough cells. They're coming. I know my level of patience is legendary, but let's grab some. I think I'm going to go for some of my gold. Let's see if I can save this. This is a P.E.s iridescent gold. Yes, my turntable is not stable. And blow. Start small, get bigger. I'm not sure giving it a spin is going to be helpful, but I like it. It's getting better as it sits there. The Aussie Floetrol often takes a moment to work. Cells do just keep getting bigger. Do I want that, or do I want to put something else in there? I kind of want to put something else in there. What is that? That is the Carnival. can't say I'm totally impressed with my abilities yet, but they're coming along. It's my story and I'm sticking to it. Just using the dull end of a really skinny skewer. And I do use GAC 800 in all my colors, which does mean that they won't crack when they dry. And that bubble can go. I stomped it. There, that's kind of cute. I like it. I know you probably can't see that very well. So I'll try and rig it so you can. If I'm lucky. And I don't leave too many things in my way. And I'm not clumsy. Come on up. Come on, don't drop. So it is what it is, and I need practice, that's obvious. And I will try and shimmer that at you again. The colors are a little different for me. The first one is pretty impressive. I can put both of those in there now if I want. So not bad for my first two tiles. I'll learn to live with it. There we go. It's really nice out here. It's getting better by the moment. Really pretty with the light on it. Got to do what you got to do to make it work. All right, so I love you guys. Check out my Amazon link under the link tree. Check out the paint pouring recipes are under Show More. My link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio, Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. My Amazon link is on the link tree. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. My 2 books are on the Amazon link. They're the first and the second 100 videos for YouTube. All the tools and the processes. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork sometimes. Have to figure out what I'm going to sell tiles for. Please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted, and I really appreciate your kind words. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I have over 2,600 videos, and I'm going to have to start a new playlist category for these. In any case, if you want to find a playlist, go to my channel. Playlists, all playlists, created playlists, or just ask me because I have them separated by topic and genre and by the 100. Alright, so I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I post 7 days a week at 3:15 Eastern Standard Time so far. And I will see you anon, hopefully tomorrow. Bye for now. Priscilla out.